Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn some simple English words. Appointment. Appointment. I have an appointment with the barber at 3 p.m. Curl. Curl. I curl my hair every morning. Haircut. Haircut. I would like a haircut. Barber. Barber. I want to become a barber. Buzz cut. Buzz cut. He always gets a buzz cut. Braid. I can braid my hair. Get a perm. Get a perm. I got a perm last week, and it still looks great. Bangs. Bangs. I really like my new bangs. Updo. Updo. I wore my hair in an updo for the party. Dye. Dye. I want to dye my hair red. Salon. Salon. I go to the salon every month. Style. Style. What is your favorite hairstyle? Shave. Shave. I need to shave before the meeting. Razor. Razor. You should be careful with a razor. Blade. Blade. The razor has a sharp blade. Blonde. Blonde. She has blonde hair. Gel. Gel. I use hair gel for styling. Straighten. Straighten. Can you straighten my hair? Straighten. Straighten. I brush my hair every morning. Brush. Brush. I need a new hairbrush. Color. Color. Does my new hair color look good? Mirror. Mirror. I looked at myself in the mirror. Hairstylist. Hairstylist. Do you know a good hairstylist? Scissors. Scissors. My hairstylist uses scissors to cut my hair. Thanks for watching.